You used to say you would love. I used to say she back. Making that shit from the heart.
What's up, Andy Nation? It's Mom Ant, and I'm back today with another video. Today I got my two little cousins with me,
Devion, Devernay.
and we're gonna be doing a slime video for y'all. I never did a video like this, so make sure y'all go down there and smash that like button for good luck, and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn that post notification bell so you can see every time I post, because the video's finna get better. Alright, so first we got our bowls. We got clear bowls. 1, 2, we got 3 bowls, and then we got our glue, our Elmer's glue.
I can sit him.
Elmer's glue, yeah. We got one for each of us. 2, 3, and then we got contact solution because we couldn't find like borax. You get borax to do the slime, but we couldn't find that, so we just got contact solution because it got borax in it. And then we got food coloring to change the color of our slime, and we got some warm water and some spoons to mix it with. So first, everybody open their glue. We're gonna start off with the glue. Hopefully we do this. Open your glue. It's not open, I don't think yet.
Oh.
You gotta open it, unscrew it, and take the top off. And y'all, I know y'all probably like, I got my thing off because my arm feel a little bit better, so I took it off. The doctor said I can take it off for a minute and let my arm breathe, but still don't do too much. So gotta be careful when I'm whipping this up. And what y'all wanna do is put all y'all glue in here.
Okay, ready. You want us to spread it out?
And just put it all in there. Look at this. So after we finally got the glue out, this is what it looks like. Y'all ain't gotta hold y'all's up here.
Okay.
But this is what it look like, and it's like a lot in here. We ain't add nothing to it yet. So next, I think you add the borax and warm water, and you start. I think you mix it as you add it, like. So we got our contact solution.
Tell me that one.
I know if you, yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna just put it in there for y'all, and y'all just gonna stir it.
Okay. Can I get my stirrer thingy?
Wait, use these first, cause that's broke.
Okay.
You can't use that. You make sure you took it, cause I rubbed it in here.
People cook with that.
Okay, let me see. Right, you don't need to use that.
Wow.
So we're gonna add a few drops. Start stirring.
Dang.
Okay, stir it. Is it starting to get stuck? Our rubber. It's starting to get a little bit tougher. Keep stirring it. You feel any chunks? Stirring it. bad.
It's on me. Is that nothing? I ain't gonna carry you.
It's contact solution, so if it get in your eye, it's not gonna do nothing.
I know because it's contacts. David had that. He was scared.
I gotta see it started. Well, I started to get stuck to the side, kind of.
Mom's got. And then we can put our contacts. Anthony, look.
Yeah,
I see chunks now. Let's see.
Go, you gotta split it. You gotta add it. Just mix it. And right now, we are mixing our food color.
Look at
So
mine. They
change our
don't look
slime
like
color.
nothing.
You gotta keep stirring it. You gotta keep stirring it. Look. See, I'm mixing mine to a light blue.
Oh, that's sad.
And it's like pink. If you want it darker, you gotta add more red.
David, you got pink.
I got light blue. I
Oh,
might
mine's
add
to be
a darker
green.
green.
Can
I thought you had red. I'm gonna get back to y'all when it starts to form. I think we missing something. I think we messed something up.
Hurry up with it. I want to mix mine. Dang!
We missing something.
wanna
Alright,
mix
y'all.
it.
So we are back. It was not forming right, so we have to add some ingredients. We have to get some baking soda. See, now it's starting to form.
It's getting stuck.
You gotta keep doing it so it can be together. You can't keep stopping in between. And now I might mess up because we put so much borax in it. We need some more water. Oh, it's starting to get stuck.
It's getting stuck.
Mine is blue.
Maybe
Maybe I can't keep doing that. You
Can I
gotta.
put some water?
Y'all can't go mess up. It's gonna be broken. Oh, that's too much. It's
Give
gonna
me
be
some
broke
water.
apart.
Give me some water. Can I get some water?
Get some. Don't over pour. Y'all
I
can't
should
keep
watch
stopping and pulling it up.
I'm not pulling it.
Y'all starting to stick. I'm using my bad arm, but And then as it get like more stickier, then you take it out and start playing with it.
Oh,
But it's,
look at this.
oh, this came off. Oh, this is why
That's how
I
you
don't
tell
use
it's
it.
fake. And this keep talking. Woo, I need
Yo,
some.
you took my spoon because yours is all messy.
No.
Okay, and then as it gets more stickier like mine,
Like mine's too. Sticky.
no, like as it gets sticky like mine, then you
No,
gotta.
mine's too. You too.
No, like mine, yours is still watery.
Mine's rotting.
No, y'all gotta be like, y'all see how my sides and stuff are all scraped? That's when you take it out.
I'm playing with it.
No, you don't play with it. You gotta. Oh, this feels so weird.
I feel it.
Keep mixing yours until it all.
I feel it.
Mix yours fast, then you gonna.
Oh Lord, my
Then you
arm.
gotta start.
Look at mine.
It's not. You gotta mix it. If y'all touched it before, then y'all ain't gonna have all y'all small.
What? Not. Oh dang.
So you gotta mix all that. Get all that at the bottom. Oh, God, this is so
This
sticky.
one get
I don't think I mixed this enough. I'm gonna mess y'all. Hurry up so we can get a thumbnail. Devin ain't mix it yet. There, now you can grab yours, Devin.
I can grab
Devin,
mine.
I keep grabbing his
I can
too. You're not
grab
gonna be able to
mine.
grab it.
I can grab mine.
Yeah.
No. Oh.
I can't. Get. Okay, you can grab yours. It's that one part over there that you wasn't grabbing.
This is. I can grab it now. This is.
Hurry up, yeah.
Why is it soggy?
Because we gotta mix it
Because I
together.
got water.
Come on, grab it. It's gonna be soggy. Come on so we can get our thumbnail. Y'all ready? We gotta get our thumbnail. Devin, grab it. Y'all ready?
Yes. Wait.
Come on. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, y'all. Don't cover your face there, Renee. Come on. Oh, look at it like crazy. Oh. Just make different faces. Y'all, so... Y'all, this is so sticky. Look at this.
This is sticky.
Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Came through drippin', drip drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', drip drip.
Look at my ring.
This is so much mess. We gotta mix it like around so it can...
This is hard. Mine is hard. I don't
Because
like
you add too
mine.
much Cartex
I don't
solution.
like mine.
That means you add too much
Mine
Cartex.
is real soft.
Mine's soft too.
I don't
She
like
kept adding
mine.
stuff to
No,
hers.
I didn't
I
add
seen
nothing. Let me see. Yours is like mine.
Oh, look, it started coming together. All
Yours
together.
is
See?
like mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
That's how it's supposed to start to get hard. It's supposed to start to get hard. It's not supposed
Huh?
to, see, look, mine's starting to get hard.
Why is that hard? Why is that
Because it's not supposed to stay soft. It's supposed to be slimy. Oh, I know why it's like that. We added too much contact solution. Look, it's like rubber.
It's supposed to be rubbed.
Y'all gonna make sure I color it. It's not. We put too much contact solution.
Man, I don't like this.
It wasn't working.
I don't like this.
Y'all, we put so much contact solution. It's like rubber.
And it's like, I don't like this.
Oh, it's like rubber, y'all.
Can I put some more soap
Stop.
in
You
this?
get contact solution everywhere.
I want some more soap in this.
The soap not gonna do nothing. Let me see if I can add let's see if we can add some what's that called? I'm about to see if we can add some shaving cream. Let me out. I'm about to go
Shaving cream.
I'm finna go get the shaving cream.
In your drawer?
Don't worry about it.
I don't like this. Oh,
Shaving cream gonna make it fluffy. I touch your mom's for your hands get red stuff in it. Oh shit. Y'all, we adding some
Shaving cream.
shaving cream.
What's up?
Oh.
Give me some more. We're stir.
Let's get a thumbnail. Come on.
Give me some more. Give me some more.
No, it's too much.
We stir.
Yeah. No. Use your hand. Try to get thumbnail.
Like this?
Try to get thumbnail. Come on. Come on.
Thumbnail or
Then
no?
we do
Oh,
what?
it's so much. It's so rubbery that we can't even.
Exactly. We can't even fix
We
it.
just messed. Oh.
We can't even fix
We can't even add nothing to it. We put so much contact solution. We're supposed to put like 1 dot, not 1,000 dots.
I didn't do that.
That's-
You did it.
That's because I thought that's all we needed. I didn't know we needed baking soda. The internet didn't say all that. Good thing Chi has some. She got everything we need. Oh my gosh, we got to clean all this up.
On my shirt. Who cares?
Messy. Right, we already in the zone. Bro, y'all, we got slime everywhere. Look at this. We made a mess.
I like this ugly slime.
It's so rubbery.
I will kill this slime.
I'm throwing this away when I get there.
Me too. I'm gonna put some.
David, don't get that on my floor.
I'm not. Can I put some more soap and keep them
No,
on?
you just get messy now. You just wasted stuff.
Oh,
Y'all, look, so this is what my slime looks like.
this is where mine.
Hold on,
looks
because
like.
it's not focusing. I don't want to touch my camera. Why? Look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all, we made a mess. We added too much contact solution. So next time when y'all do it, make sure y'all don't add too much contact solution, cause y'all video will be messed up. I mean y'all look, it will be like rubber. Look at this.
Look at that.
Look
Look
at
at
this.
this.
No, look at this.
Look at this. Look at Anthony's.
Look,
Look
I
at
got a
mine.
whole handbag.
Get them
I
on.
got a whole handbag.
It's beautiful.
Oh my
I got a
gosh,
whole
we got to have a
handbag.
lot to clean up. A lot.
Look.
Should we end?
Why did you?
Why would you do that? I can't help you now. Got that all in my mouth.
He said help me.
Why would you do that? This is soft.
He said help me.
Look what you did. We finna end this video.
No,
We're
we
gonna have to
not.
clean up.
I don't like this stupid slime.
Move over here, you're not even in the video. So I have blue slime and I tried to add some shaving cream.
I
And
did.
guess what happened? What colors was the best?
Green. Anthony's.
Blue. I mean, don't y'all no more.
I had green.
Video to the end. Or comment when you stop watching this video.
Cause it's slash.
Gosh, this is so rough.
I don't like this stuff.
Alright, guys, so subscribe for more videos. Of course. And follow me on all my social medias. Link in the description down below.
And we out.
And we are out. A and B
Nation.
Peace.
The brain when I feel that I cut my ties with my people. Now my grandfather deposit. Ran it up all by myself though. Now they never gonna stop me.